Hello everyone, so in today's class I am going to teach how to make different kind of vegetables. So let's begin with the plate making. For that here I am using air dye clay. If you have super clay you can use that. Now take small portion of clay and make ball out of it, and then take any kind of pen or pencil to roll it. After making all those vegetables we need something to keep those veggies, right? Like basket or plate. Making plate is easy, so I am teaching you that. And you know that most of the vegetables are green in color, so I added green here. Let's make cabbage first. For that you have to make many balls. First ball should be little bigger and the rest of the ball should be smaller. As we all know, cabbages are full of leaves, and that's why we will turn these small balls into leaves. Now take those balls and press with your fingers, and then stick those leaves with the bigger ball, as you can see in the video. So our cabbage is ready. Let's move on to the next vegetable. So our next vegetable is ashgard. So the making process is pretty simple. Just use your finger or any lid to give it shape. And now for the upper part, use clay tool. And then stick it together. You don't need even glue for this. And now moving towards our third vegetable, which is capsicum. Just use your finger to give capsicum body shape, and then use any clay tool to mark the cuts. Now for the carrots, you just need your fingers, that's it. And use pen or clay tools to add those details. And now for the pumpkin, we will use the same process as we did with capsicum, but here you have to make your base little more round. For making tomatoes, just you have to make small balls, and we will add that upper part which is called calyx later. I will also make some potatoes by adding some details. And I have a question for you. Can you tell me sweet corns are vegetables or fruits? Now with the help of tools, we will add the details. And our sweet corn is done. And for making brinjal, I am using purple super clay. By the way, this is also called eggplant in West, but mostly in India we use the word brinjal. And for making calyx, which is upper part, you have to use scissors. But if you are underage, please ask your parents to guide you. By using same method, I will add calyx to all the rest of the vegetables. Now it's time for arrangement. And here is the final look. So that is it for today. Thank you so much.